Deep within the bioluminescent groves of the Silicon Forest, we find Druid David. David doesn't code in Python, he codes in vines. David has been binge-watching ancient guru YouTube tutorials on his enchanted obsidian tablet. He knows the first rule of a successful startup: identify a pain point. And in the Magic Forest, the pain point is clear: delivery owls are too slow, and their latency is terrible. So, David decides to build a SaaS, spells as a service. Instead of vibe coding, David practices aura scripting. He doesn't sit at a desk. He stands in a circle of glowing mushrooms, letting the vibe of the forest flow through his staff directly into the root system. He starts with SDD, spirit-driven development. He doesn't write documentation. He just asks the great oak what the architecture should look like. The oak usually just says, branch out, which David takes as a sign to use seed control, his version of Git. When David wants to save a version of his spell, he doesn't commit it, he plants it. If the spell breaks, he doesn't roll back. He just rewinds the seasons. His main branch is a literal 400-year-old tree limb. And if a junior druid wants to add a feature, they have to perform a pruning request. For his API, David uses an API, ancient parchment interface. It's how other creatures' spells talk to his, usually via a series of rhythmic knocks on a hollow log. But a SaaS needs to get paid. David sets up his payment gateway, which he calls the Troll Bridge. To process a transaction, a user must drop 3 shiny pebbles and a secret into a specific stream. If the secret is juicy enough, the Troll Bridge API returns a success ripple. To keep his users updated, he needs an SMS gateway. In David's forest, this is the SMS, Screaming Monkey Service. When a potion is ready for pickup, a highly trained macaque swings to the user's window and shrieks the notification at 3 a.m. It has 99.9% deliverability. David is currently seeking seed funding. Literally, he needs someone to give him a bag of magical acorns so he can grow his server farm. He's confident. After all, in the forest, if your churn rate is too high, it usually just means the local wolves are hungry.